Hello everybody, this is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 here today, and I got myself quite a few blasters I need to review, so I'll start with these little guys here. These are the Stinger, I think it's called the Stinger SD-1, and the Stinger essentially is a Jolt. There's nothing really special about it, other than the fact that it has a new color scheme. It looks different-ish and performs, I would say, a little bit better than the Jolt. Now, I do have a lot of darts here. I did buy the Mission Op set, which it comes with like two of these, a shotgun, and I think a pistol, and then these breakable plastic bottles that look like they can break apart, or you can put them back together. I'll get into that into a different video, but for today's review, I'm going to be reviewing this. I've had this for about less than a day and hasn't broken yet, which is good. As far as things go, the internals look pretty much identical to a Jolt, where you have the priming mechanism at the bottom, similar to a Jolt. Plunger head is probably connected to the thing that you pull on. Trigger's all one piece, and it looks like it's held in with a screw. That was the other thing. There's like no screws whatsoever on this thing. The only screw that I can see that's applied on both sides is right there. Right about here-ish is where the trigger is. And as far as performances go, I'm pretty much, if I were to sit in this chair and just kind of level it down, yeah, so it kind of goes down halfway across the room. So obviously this may not be a ideal blaster. Maybe for close quarters combat, maybe for like a last minute resort. If I were to do an angled shot, angled shots obviously went a lot further. I could have imagined they could go a little bit further, 10, 20 feet more. A leveled shot on one of these guys, the Stingers. The Stinger SD-1, not really. I mean, it makes a good cheap pistol. You only get one shot. It's not a triad where you have 3 shots before you have to reload. And aside from that, it has just a basic AR pin. I don't know if there's anything special about it that would be noteworthy. The thing I've noticed with some of these other blasters, like the shotgun one, for example, which I will review shortly after this one, the thing I've noticed is that this yellow piece here looks like it can get easily detached or reattached, which makes me think they're going to start customizing the Nerf blaster external parts. So I don't know. It's a little mind-boggling, if you ask me. But with the Mission Op set, you get 2 of these like decently good Jolts. Even though they're called Stingers, they just resemble much more of a Jolt. Load one up, load the other one up. Essentially, these make like really good like backups, I guess. They're one-shotters, so that means that as soon as you pull the trigger on one, that went pretty far. As soon as you pull the trigger on one of them, you have to at least reload the dart and then prime it again. Thing I kind of like learned over time with Jolts is they're only good for like certain situations. They're not your primary or your secondary. They're only good for like a last minute. Oh, I'm gonna get tagged. Bam. Okay, I got that out of the way. Gotta reload. And I gotta say, the firepower on this thing. Oh, testing firepower. Bounce back. Bounce back is pretty good. All right. So that was a level shot. Let's try an angled shot. I'm gonna level it. There. Again, angled shots. When you tip the gun like this, kind of give it like a longer range, but less accuracy. It goes further, hits harder, hits faster. As far as the bounce back test that I did just now, the leveled shots do as well as the angled shots. And honestly, I gotta say, this is a really, it's a tiny blaster. It's like the size of my hand. Or essentially the size of my hand. I don't think there's really much I can review on this other than it's your typical Jolt with a reskin. A reskin Jolt. And based on the Hasbro website that I have open here, it says it's available for $2.99, which seems okay. With the mission offset, that cost me $20 at Walmart, but it gave me, I think, 2 other blasters and a bunch of ammo and some props that I really don't need. So as far as this go, I would say the verdict for these two, even though they're exactly the same brand and model and everything else, honestly, I'd give the Stinger probably, I want to say, I mean, the performance is good, but ammo capacity sucks. The reload time should be fairly easy and simple to understand, and it gives you like a last minute resort. But if you're to use this as a primary or a secondary, no bueno. So honestly, I would give this like 7.5 out of 10. It's decent, not the best, but it will get the job done in certain situations. Last minute resort, or last minute blaster, I need this right now, or close quarters combat. Aside from that, thanks for watching, guys, on the Nerf Stinger SD-1. These two, like I said, are the exact same thing, not modified, both stock form, and they perform flawlessly. They're kind of lacking range with the leveled shots, and despite the fact that ammo capacity, I wish for this mission offset, or even for the blaster itself, it may be like a double barrel. Think of it like a 2-barrel Jolt. That would be pretty cool looking, or maybe kind of like that with the same priming mechanism as a Jolt. So it's not like a double strike where it's a hammer tension based mechanism. But thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching the video, understanding the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys understood the video. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for this video. Next video will probably be either on the shotgun or the wherever that other pistol went. I kind of shoved things underneath this new bed frame I got. But yeah, 7.5 out of 10 for this one. It works. It will get the job done in certain situations, but it won't work. It won't be suitable for other situations like HVZ or something like that. And I still wonder if these yellow pieces, if they can come off and then you can like redecorate them. That would be pretty sick. But thanks for watching, guys. This is Nerf Gun Reviewer 331 signing off for today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, understood the video. This is the Stinger SD-1 review. Now done. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.